Hello students, I'm going to show you how to upload your homework in on Canvas. So you're going to click on your class. This is our class, so we double click. In this class, there are two ways to go to the modules. You can either use the menu on this side and click modules, or you can scroll down and go to modules and click here. I'm gonna use the menu. Now, this is your modules page. Now you want to go to your assignment and upload it. So you click on your assignment. And then now I am going to change this into the student view so you can see it, what you see as a student. So this is how it's going to show up for you. So in here you see this blue button that says Start Assignment. That's where you're going to click on so you can upload your homework. Now there are a few ways to upload your homework. So you can type your homework in here, and that's fine. Or if you took a picture because you did it on your notebook, you go into where these three dots are and you click on them, and then you go with where this icon of a picture is, and then you click this arrow that is pointing down. Then you're gonna click and upload image. It's gonna take you to this big rectangle, and you double click and it's taking you to your computer's files. So hopefully you remember the name of the picture you saved and everything. So in this case I have this one. This is my picture, and I'm gonna click open. Once I see it, I click submit, and I wait until it shows up, and then that's it. My homework is there. The other way, if you use Word, or if you saved your homework as a PDF file, you can also upload it. So you click again on these three dots, but you go to the icon that looks like a page, and then you click on it, and then it says here upload document. So you click in there, and then it shows you the same blue box, and you double click, takes you to your documents. If you did a Word document and you saved it in your computer, just click on that Word document and click then open. Once it shows you here the title, you click submit, and that's it. It will create a link, and that's it. I'm gonna give you extra information, but you don't have to do this step if you don't want. So let's say you want to change the title of this, or you want me to see it as soon as I get into grading your homework. So you can hover over your mouse, and then click on that link, and this will show up, and it says click options. In here you can just delete part of your title, it's called text, and then you can go to preview inline, and then expand preview by default, and click done. What this do is that I will be able to see it as soon as I get into grading or revising your homework. But you don't have to do this step if you don't want, or if it's too complicated. Then now you click submit, and it will give you a celebration. And if you want to check that you really submitted your homework, you go into the submission details and you click on it, and it will show you the picture, and it will show you the document. Here it is, and that's it. That's how you submit your homework on Canvas. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you understand this video. Thank you. Bye.